We have received reports of a unknown entity which has blackened eyes called Its appearance is a ball with blackened eyes and no pupils. There are encounters in these cities: Kansas City, St. Louis, Branson, Topeka, Omaha, Des Moines, Nashville, Atlanta, and Miami. In your house or apartment, turn off lights, lock doors, block windows, don't go outside. If your family member is outside, don't attempt to search for them. It can collapse buildings if it's wanted to. If you see it, it's the bet to hide as fast as possible.
May God save us all.